It's really made a big difference because I didn't have a lot of confidence in certain parts of painting, especially the color mixing. So just watching Kathleen has really helped me, and also all of her tips has given me a lot of confidence. I really enjoyed how it's at your own pace.
Mm-hmm.
And you can always go back and look at things. And so she made it really very attainable, very easy to get through. I love her modeling. I think her modeling is excellent when you can paint along with her. She's very positive, and she has a style that lets you still have your own style. You can take what you learned from Kathleen and then make it fit what you do. So that was, I thought, very unique about her. So much more confident. Before I would have to go ask somebody, well, how do I get that color? Or, what do I need to do to mix that up? And it's just given me so much more confidence in that. I'm so pleased. I would recommend this course to anybody. I've painted for a pretty long time, or I think a beginner could jump in. I think anybody could benefit from this course. I thought it was great, and it's just a great value too.